Thinking about getting tree removal services? We're pleased to offer you the best range and quality to meet your needs. Our skilled professionals are fully qualified and have years of experience in providing the very best. But rest assured, we still have the most competitive rates in the industry. We pride ourselves on the high level of repeat customers that we maintain, and we believe that's because of our strive for excellence and commitment to your satisfaction, including our great attention to detail and our high values. Our friendly team is waiting to hear from you and to answer any specific questions you may have. Your satisfaction is our prime concern, so please contact us today.